Did you know that our nightly sleeping posture can make an impact on our health and how we feel? Some of the sleeping postures may be bad. If so, new sleeping patterns should be considered. Among the following, which is your preferred position? 1. The fetal position. This is one of the most common sleeping postures, and around 40% of people claim that they find it most comfortable. The bad news is that this position is unfortunately the unhealthiest. It causes backaches and does harm to joints. Experts warn that it can also affect your neck and shoulders. During the night, they should be aligned. If you cannot avoid sleeping in the fetus position, doctors recommend that you should put a pillow between the knees. In such a way, you'll alleviate stress on your joints. 2. On your back. Those who prefer to sleep on their back have a tendency to snore at night. But on the other side, this posture is the most beneficial of all. It is particularly good if you have back problems, and it will resolve neck issues. We sometimes speculate why we feel pain in the back of the neck without even realizing that the main reason could be our sleeping position. Sleep on your back if you want to look younger for longer. This position causes fewer fine lines and wrinkles because there is no pressing on your face. Moreover, this posture allows you to keep the breasts supported, which prevents sagging. 3. Left side. The left side position not only reduces acid reflux, but it can also prevent neck and back pains. There's a disadvantage though. It is not the best posture for the breasts. The breasts are not supported, which leads to sagging. Since the left side posture stimulates blood circulation to the uterus, it is great for pregnant women. 4. Right side. The right side posture may cause heartburn. On the other hand, this position is similar to the last one. They are both good for people suffering from back or neck issues. Unfortunately, this position also causes sagging breasts and wrinkles. 5. On your stomach. Many doctors agree on the fact that there is nothing as bad as sleeping on your stomach. This position causes different health problems and should be absolutely avoided. If this is your preferred posture, do not be surprised if you find out that something is wrong with your back. Sleeping in this way, during the night you put too much pressure on your joints and muscles. Consequently, you may feel numbness and pain. Sleeping on your stomach, you keep your neck in a rotated position for too long. If this is done regularly, then you will have bad blood circulation and problems breathing. The only thing good about sleeping on your belly is that you are unlikely to snore at night and disturb whoever is sleeping by your side. In conclusion, we know that regardless of health benefits, people sleep in the position they find comfiest. If you can, try to correct your posture now that you know the pros and cons of each position. If you realize you need to change something about your posture, it will probably be challenging in the beginning to sleep in a position that is not the one you are used to.